Good morning, students. I hope that you all are fine and safe at your home. Dear students, in our previous lecture, we did the complete reading of unit number 4, The Flying Lady, along with the meaning of new words. And in today's lecture, we shall solve the comprehension and vocabulary focus of the same unit. So, students, open your book to page number 26. You will find a comprehension focus here. Here is a statement. The statement is answer the following questions. Your question number 1 is why is Mariam Mukhtar a role model? Your question number 2 is how did both pilots deal with the emergency? Question number 3. Suggest another suitable title for the text you have just read. Your last question is, which you have answered, how would you serve your country? Okay, students, so these are questions which we have to answer. Okay, first we will answer the very first question, which is why is Mariam Mukhtar a role model? Students, we know why she is a role model for us. The answer is Mariam Mukhtar is a role model because she sacrificed her life to save the life of civilian. Question number 2 is how did both pilots deal with the emergency? The answer of this question is both pilots deal with emergency with courage and professionalism. Now come to solve question number 3. Suggest another suitable title for the text you have just read. Okay, students, I would suggest The Pride of Nation should be the title of this unit. Okay, now come to solve question number 4. How would you serve your country? So, according to me, I will serve my country by teaching students, by helping others in need, by keeping our country clean, by joining a job that helps our country to be prosper. This was my opinion. Now you would share your opinions that how would you serve your country. Okay, students, so this was all about your comprehension focus. Now come to solve vocabulary focus of the same unit. Students, as you know that in vocabulary focus we discuss some words, their meaning, and use those words in our sentences. Okay, so your very first word is fascinating. The meaning of fascinating is extremely interesting. And its sentence is Badshahi Mosque is a fascinating place. Your word number 2 is patient, which means strong emotion. And the sentence of patient is I have patience to serve my country. Your word number 3 is eject, means leave an aircraft rapidly using an ejection seat or capsule. And its sentence is pilots eject in case of emergency. Your word number 4 is crash, which means the act of colliding with something. And the sentence of crash is PIA plane crashed in Karachi. Your word number 5 is pride, which means be proud of. And the sentence of pride is be the pride of your country. Your word number 6 is aircraft. The meaning of aircraft is a vehicle that can fly. And the sentence of aircraft is I saw an aircraft in an exhibition. Word number 7, ensure, which means make certain of. And the sentence of ensure is teacher ensured a student to get pass. Okay, students, your word number 8 is remarkable, which means worthy of notice. And the sentence of remarkable is Our national heroes have remarkable sacrifices. Word number 9, sacrifice, which means loss of something. And its sentence is I sacrifice my life for the nation. Students, your last word is martyrdom, which means a death that is imposed because of a person's attachment of a religious faith or cause. And sentence is every soldier of Pakistan prays to die in martyrdom. So students, this was your vocabulary focus. Now you are being given an assignment. And your assignment is you have to answer these two questions. The first question is suggest another suitable title for the text that you have just read. So students, what you have to do, you have to suggest another suitable title, like The Flying Lady is the title of this unit. Now you have to yourself suggest the title. Okay? And the second question which you have to solve, how would you serve your country? Students, just now I have told you about that how would I serve my country. I have given you examples. Now you would tell me that how would you serve your country. Okay students, so this is your assignment. I hope you will do it very good. Students, your unit number 4, The Flying Lady, ends here. I shall come back with a new lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care.